Hello all, today we will see together how to make some tricks in Python. Firstly, Python is a logic program or language. We can say that if 5 is more than 2, then print 5 is more than 2. Here is the result. 5 is more than 2. Another example is when you define some variables like x equal 5 and y equal John. Then print x is equal 5 and print y is equal John. Here is some of data specificity. The text type is defined as a string, and numeric type is integer, float, complex, and sequence type list, tuple, range, mapping type dict, set type set, close set, boolean type boolean, binary type bytes, byte array, and memory view. Non-type is non-type. When we want to define exact data, what's it definitely? For example, x equal string 3 and y equal integer 3 and z equal float 3. Then print x is equal 3, it's text, and print y is integer, it's equal 3, print z is float, it's float, it's 3.0. and if we want to know what's exactly the definition of our data, then we can use print type x. It is a string, and print type y it is an integer, and print z type z, it is an float. Here is an definition, casting in Python. What's the casting of integer? It is a construct an integer number from an integer letter, a float letter, by removing all decimals. Or string letter, providing the string represent a whole number. The float is a construct or a float number from an integer letter or float letter or string letter, providing the string represents a float or an integer. String is a constructs a string from a wide variety of data type, including string, integer, letter, and float letters. Here is some variable numbers or variable names. All these content are legal variable number. My var, my underscore var, underscore my underscore var, and so on. For example, x, y, and x, y, and z equal orange, banana, and cherry. Then print x. It's orange, and print y. It's banana, and print z. It's cherry. Sometimes we want to specify variables as equals, and we can represent it like that. X equal y equal z equal orange. Enter, then print x, it's orange, and print y, it's orange, and print z, it's also orange. Another example is fruit is equal apple, banana, cherry, and x, y, z equal fruit. Enter, then print x, it's apple, and print y, it's banana, and print z, it's cherry. A funny trick is x equal Python, y equal is, and finally z equal awesome. Then print x, y, z. Python is awesome. Another example is x equal awesome. and definition of my function. And print Python is plus x.